Jerifa Wahida, student of HS second year in Cordoba Senior Secondary School. Today I am standing right in front of you all to deliver a small speech on the topic of the advent of Islam in India. The advent of Islam in India dates back to the 7th century. Arab traders visited first in Malabar coast, specifically in Kerala. These traders brought their religion to the local population. These traders had been visiting India's coastal region for commerce, particularly on the west coast, including Surat in western Gujarat, on the Malabar coast in Kerala. Sufism played a significant role in spreading Islam in India. The first Jama Masjid, called Cheraman Jama Masjid, built in Kerala in 629 AD, is considered as the first mosque built in India. It was constructed during the reign of Cheraman Perumal, who was a Hindu king converted to Islam. Muhammad bin Qasim established Arab rule in Sindh in 712 AD, marked the earliest Muslim conquest in India. The Delhi Sultanate, established by Qutbuddin Aibak in the 14th century AD, marked the beginning of the Muslim rule in India. Mughal Empire, which rose to power in the 16th century, further solidified the Islam presence in India. The spread of Islam in India is a complex process that involved trade and commerce, Sufi preachers, conquest and empire building, intermarriage and conversion. For example, in the field of trade and commerce, Arab traders and merchants had played a significant role in spreading Islam in India. Again, Sufi preachers, Sufi saints and mystics like Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti and Nizamuddin Auliya had also played a significant role in spreading Islamic teaching and values. Intermarriage and conversions. Intermarriage and conversions also played a significant role in spreading Islamic values and practices. So here I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jazakallahu khair.